morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Like birds and animals, letters also have sounds. In our previous class, we have already learned the sounds of letters. Today, we are going to practice it again. Let's start. What is this? This is A. This is letter A. Do you know how A sounds? A sounds A. A sounds A. All of you follow me. A sounds A. A is for apple. A, apple. A is for apple. A, apple. A is for ant. A, ant. A is for ant. A, ant. Hope you all will practice this at home. Thank you.